In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Virginia Beach. To get started, go to the official Virginia Beach Courts website at courts.virginiabeach.gov. This is the best place to begin because it gives you the most accurate and up-to-date information about traffic fines, court payments, and which citations can actually be handled online. Once the website loads, look for the section related to the General District Court and paying fines for prepayable citations. Before you make any payment, take a moment to review the information on the page carefully. The site explains that there is a complete list of offenses that may be prepaid, including both state code and city code violations. You can usually find this information under the Related Documents section. This part is important because not every ticket can be paid online. Some violations require a court appearance, so it's worth confirming that your citation qualifies before moving forward. As you continue reading, you'll see more details about prepayable offenses. Certain traffic and non-traffic violations are eligible for prepayment, and the website references the official fee schedules used for both state and city code violations. In other words, this section helps you verify whether your specific ticket falls into a category that can be resolved without going to court. If your case is instead heard by a judge, the final amount may be different, so checking this in advance can save time and prevent confusion. Next, pay close attention to the note about what online payment means. Prepaying a ticket by phone or online is considered an admission of guilt and a waiver of your hearing. That means once you submit payment, you are giving up the opportunity to appear in court for that citation. The page also explains how to calculate the total amount due. In general, the total includes the fine, the processing fee, and any other applicable fees. Be sure to review those amounts so you know exactly what you'll be paying before you continue. Once you've confirmed that your offense is prepayable and you understand the consequences of paying online, you're ready for the final step. Click on the link or button labeled Pay Prepayable Fines Online. From there, follow the payment instructions provided on the site to complete your transaction. As a final tip, make sure all citation details are entered accurately when prompted and double-check the payment amount before submitting. That way your payment can be processed smoothly and without delays.